Let us solve this question. If P of t equal to t into t minus 1 into t minus 2 into etc. t minus 2019 divided by 2019 factorial, then the value of interval 0 to 1 by t plus 1 plus 1 by t plus 2 plus etc. 1 by t plus 2020 into P of minus t minus 1 dt. First, we can find the value of P of minus 1 minus t minus 1. What is P of minus t minus 1? Instead of t, substitute the value of minus t minus 1. This will be minus t minus 1, minus t minus 1 minus 1 will be minus t minus 2. This will be minus t minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3. Because we are just substituting. Instead of this, we are putting minus t minus 1. So it will be minus t minus 1 minus 2 will be minus etc. This will be minus t minus 20 minus t minus 20. Just substitute the value. Instead of t, just substitute the value of minus t minus 1. So that minus 1 will be added to these values and the values will be increasing. The denominator will be 2090 factorial. Now we can take negative sign from each value. As I am taking negative sign, this negative will be taken out, it will be plus. Here also negative will be taken, it will be plus. Negative will be taken and this will be plus. Negative will be taken, all values will be positive. Now, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 2 term. 1, 2, 3, 3 term. 1, 2, 2020 means even number of terms. Even number of minus signs will be cancelling each other, which means our entire value P of minus t minus 1 will be this one. Now, we are only integrating this value from 0 to 1. Is t plus 1 positive in 0 to 1? Yes, t plus 1 is positive, t plus 2 is 0, then t plus 2 is positive, and their numerator and denominator both are positive, which means P of minus t minus 1 will be positive value. Now, instead of solving this, I am finding any similarity. Is there any similarity with this integrating term and this one? Yes, there is one similarity. The log derivative of the log value of this numerator is this quantity. We can do that one. We can take log on both sides, which means log of P of minus t minus 1 is equal to log of log a minus a. Log what is log a by b? Log of a by b will be equal to log a minus log b. As I am taking log, I can write it as log of numerator minus log of denominator. This will be log of t plus 1 into t plus 2 into t plus 3 into etc. t plus 2020 minus log of 2019 factorial. Now, what is log? Product of log you can write it as, that is log of ABC, you can write it as log A plus log B plus log C, you can write it as a sum. Therefore, our value will be log of P of minus t minus 1 will be equal to log of t plus 1 plus log of t plus 2 plus log of t plus 3 plus etc. log of t plus 2020 minus log of 2019 factorial. Now, I am taking derivative on both sides. I am differentiating on both sides. We can differentiate. We can take the derivative. Now, let us differentiate. What is the derivative of this quantity? It is of the form log x. Derivative log x will be 1 by x, P of minus t minus 1. And what is the derivative of p? The inside term, according to chain rule, we need to take the log in general. Now we need to take the derivative of this quantity will be p dash of minus t minus 1. And what is the derivative of minus t minus 1? It will be minus 1, which is equal to log of 1 plus t will be, derivative log of 1 plus t will be 1 by 1 plus t. Log of t plus 2 will be 1 by t plus 2. This will be 1 by t plus 3, etc. This will be 1 by t plus 2020. And this is a constant and the derivative constant is 0. Now, this value I am taking to the other side, which means minus of p dash of minus t minus 1. This minus I have taken, this thing I have written, I am taking this to the other side. P of minus t minus 1 into 1 by 1 plus t plus 1 by t plus 2 plus 1 by t plus 3 etc. 1 by t plus 2020. see the same value we have got, which means I can substitute this value instead of the whole value. I can substitute this quantity over here. Now I am substituting that quantity there. See, if I substitute instead of this quantity, I am substituting this value. It will be integral 0 to 1, or I, let us call it as I. I value will become minus of p dash of minus t minus 1 dt. Now we can solve it easily. Now I am putting one substitution. We can solve it as normal, or we can substitute. Let p of minus t minus 1 equal to k. What is the derivative of this quantity? It will be p dash of minus t minus 1 into minus dt. The derivative of minus t minus 1 will be minus dt equal to dk, which means minus p dash of minus t minus 1 dt will be equal to dk. This will be integral dk. Integral dk equal to k itself. What is the value of k? K value equal to, what is the value of k? K value equal to p of minus t minus 1, and this limit starts from 0 to 1. I have just substituted, if this forms integral dk equal to k, I have substituted the value over there, and I am applying the upper limit and lower limit. Now we can apply the value of upper limit and lower limit. What is the upper limit? P of minus t minus 1 at t equal to 1. This will be equal to, when t equal to 1, what is the value? 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, etc. 2020 plus 1 will be 2021 divided by 2019 factorial minus, what is the value of p of minus t minus 1 when t equal to 0? 0 plus 1 is 1 into, 0 plus 2 is 2 into, this will be 3 into, this will be 2020 divided by 2019 factorial. This will be equal to, what is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into, if you want you can add 1 into 2021 will be equal to 2021 factorial minus 1 into etc. 1 into up to 2020 will be 2020 factorial divided by 2019 factorial. Now what is 2021 factorial? It will be 2021 into 2020 into 2019 factorial minus, this will be 2020 into 2019 factorial. 2020 factorial is 2020 into 2019 factorial. It will be again 2019 factorial. You can take 2019 common and cancel. Now this is the remaining value. From here you can take 2020 common. This will be equal to 2021 minus 1, which is equal to 2020 into 2021 minus 1 will be 2020. So our final answer equal to, the value will be 2020 square.